All right, garage door enthusiasts. So we're doing the coupler job. Tom went ahead and took it off, so we'll reverse it. But we had to cut this open because they were closed, just like that one there. If you look, Tom put a pair of vice grips on there immediately to hold everything in place. And to put the spring on and off, we will just drop this down to get the weight of the spring, because that's the spring. All right, so now we got the big Haas springs back in here, big old Haas springs, new bearings, and they're still relatively lined up. So now we're going to slide each part of the coupler in place. So we'll do that now. All right, so Tom put this on. He just filed the keyway down a little bit to drop that into the keyway slide it, and it's going to go right up against the edge. A little more, Tom.
Huh, passed it.
Here's, and then we'll do the same thing to the other side. You're gonna put it right there on the edge, and then he'll lock that down in place. Then we'll do the same thing to this side. All right, so we're gonna mount the spring in place. It's gonna be 9/16 bolts. We're staying away from these big ones, and we're gonna use those right there. Gotta line them up, and we go ahead and we use 9/16. And what we'll do is we'll put, or Tom will put a nut on here so we can, once we get it in far enough, we can lock it down. All right, so the spring's in place. As you can see, we used a 9/16 here. Let me back out just a little bit. So we use a 9/16, put it in, what do you think, Tom? Quarter, half inch, and then we use the nut that was on here to lock it in place. So if you're taking it off, this breaks or anything, you've got two chances. Back it off here and then pull it out. Now we're gonna do the coupler. So Tom will put all of the 9/16 on, and we'll hold on. Okay, so we're putting all the bolts in place, and then he'll tighten them down. Okay, so he's got room, so he's going to go ahead and use the impact to
Snug it
tight. Don't make fun of the Ryobi. We drop them from, you know, this high up. Next thing we know, we're okay because we can replace it. All right, do you see the gap right there? Tap it and line it up in place. Now he can go through and lock down the other two in place. The keyways, hold on a minute, Tom. Keyway there, right on the other side is the other keyway, so they're lined up. Main thing, so now we know our system is a line going all the way across. And this is how she looks. This big old hunk of spring. Wow, that's a lot.